If we go live. There. So in this session today we are going to be trading a binary option. There will be only trading binary option today because Forex is closed. I'm not sure how long time we will be trading today, so let's take it little by little and see how it goes. Today I have an extra screen up and running, so I'm able to see if you're chatting. So today I will be able to reply faster if there are any questions. Let me though just find the password so we can log in. Then I will start to promote a little this video session so we get more people in. Now let's see if I can just find there. Yes. There. And let's see if we can find also when you come in, make sure you like the video, because like I always say, more likes we get, more fun it is for me to do this. And now let me see. Just finding the link for this live session so we can start to promote it. So we are now live trading binary options. There. For a strange reason we did stop now in OBS Studio, not sure why. There we should be live again. And now some hiccups here. Okay, I think we can now start. Let me see. I'm just watching a little there now to see. Okay, then we will start. As always, let's take the ones from the top here. 98%, that would be amazing if you could trade this one. Now let's see. We do actually have something in the bottom here. I think we can take it there. Let me see. This one is a little broken. But no, we can't trade this. See, when you zoom in, the line was not good enough to be traded. So then let's take this one. No. Let's take this one. We have actually had quite success trading in Saturdays before. Sundays not so much, but Saturdays we have done very good. So let's hope we can keep it that way. This week have been very hard. We are really working hard for our profit, but nevertheless we have made profit every single day. And also talking about, what is this new thing here now? Looks a little different. I hate when they change things. This was little... I did not like this new one here. Looks like they have changed the setup for the tools. This I did not like so much. You still do the work, but it takes a little longer to do it. Yeah, and also I started some forex trading on the new broker, where you basically can copy me. I can post that link just so we have it here in the chat. Let me see. Just wait, I'll post it. Also, you're allowed to talk whatever you want in the chat. Does not need to be exactly about the trading. You can be a little social also. There's nothing wrong with that. And good morning for you also, Kyle. Now let's see. Just post that super fast here now. And we are doing good with likes, I see. We have 4 likes. Amazing. So I did just post now. If you want to copy me in for forex also. I did not have the best start. I think we have 3 winners and 2 losers. Slightly a little in minus actually with forex till now. I think we're not talking so much. I think we're talking like a couple of dollars in minus for forex. I'm just testing a little now the system and everything. It looks to be very good. And last week they were terrible to trade forex also, the same way it was for binary option. So typically I have a very good win rate for forex. So if you want to automatically copy all my trades, you are welcome to do so. And Smart Wolf Club, welcome to you and good morning. Now we have our first line in the bottom here now. A little far away, but we'll see. I'm not 100. I was not supposed to change. Let's change back. Let's see if the line is still there. If you change back, it is perfect. Then I think we can continue. Do you know what? I do actually put this line in top here. I think it's good enough. Not this type of line. Let me see. We will use this one. I see we have one spike above it, but I think we can go for it. So they have changed this a little. I do not like it that much, but nothing you can do with it. We need to deal with what they give us. Yeah. Now let's continue. So today, like I said, I'll be able to reply questions pretty fast because I have an extra screen up here now. So I don't need to be switching in between to see the questions. So today I can be a little more interactive. So now let's take a look at these 2 options here now. None is tradable yet. No. Let me see what I have here now. I don't see nothing on this one here either. In the bottom here, of course, but that is way too far. I don't think that will happen in this session. So like I said, I'm trading live for forex. Last week really was difficult. We did manage to turn profit with binary option. All in all, I think I made a little profit every single day. I think I made it close to 1,500 in total. We are not done with week weight, but I called it last week. So let's hope next week will be a little easier. So the same then go for Forex. I had a little bad start there also, but it was more to test the system also. So a couple of trades, I basically did take trades just to take trades almost. But we are profitable Forex trades also, so I think that will be super fun. I'm planning to make some live sessions again just for Forex. And the cool thing then is if you join this session, every trade that you see me do on the screen will be automatically taken into that broker. So you will then, if you're copying me, you don't need to think at all. You can, every trade I do, you will take also. So if you're interested about that, again, just make sure you join the link you find in the chat. Geelong, good morning for you also. I see, and now I have started to have my loyal followers here. That is cool. We have one in the bottom here. This is possible for us to reach. I will take a line there. I am actually planning to make a group, might be in WhatsApp. This group will be a little different. This group will be a group that I might need some admins. So if you're interested about that, tell me. This group I will make it open so everyone can be talking together. So I think we need to get more interaction between the people, so we can come with some trading ideas and also just talk a little outside of trading also. So I thought that was a good idea. I see in my WhatsApp group today I have around 500 people. So I will make an extra one so you can change in between there if I manage. I'll make one so you can be chatting also, because the one I'm using today, it's closer just for me because it will be too much mess as I give signals there. But I will make an extra one there so you can change. That will be for chatting in between anyone. So probably later, if anyone have interest to be admin there, just tell me. I don't think we need it in the start, but later on, because I know there will be always some mess there, and then it's good that you can remove some people. Let's check fast if we have something. Nothing here. Nothing here. Till now we don't have any trades, but we always find something. Okay, we obviously had that one open from before. Check this one, card. We have something all the way on the top here. I think we will keep it as an option. We never know. It's not that far away. Okay, I started to get used to this, so it's just I don't like. I am not a fan when things are changed, because when you are trading every single day and you have your certain setup, I don't like when they change things, because you learn to be fast with the things they have. When they start to change it, I don't like it at all. But no, I got to start be used to it, so that was not actually that bad. Let's continue. I just hope they can add this. I asked for it. I hope they can add this alert, so we are able to put alerts when we get close to specific levels. That is something I really would like to have on this broker, because then we could really, then I don't need to follow that hard. So that's something I really want. Now let's see. I don't see nothing on this one. Let's continue. We have a beautiful one in the bottom here. Let's mark that one. It's around here. We make the green line and the thickest one. Let's zoom in so we make sure we have it good. I would say here. Wow, this line is really, we are talking here since 3:44, whatever timeline this is, 3:44 till 10, 7 hours. So this one at least should hold a little for us if we come down to it. Now let's see very fast if we have something here. Yeah, nothing on this one, nothing on this one, nothing on this one, nothing here, and obviously nothing here. But at least we start to have a good list with the pairs that we are following. Now let's see. Yeah, something up here also. I think I have enough of pairs that are far away, so I will not mark up this one. Now I will start to concentrate just about if I find something that is closer to home. Till now I will say we have not been that successful to find something good to trade. If it was not for this, I will see here now. Let's zoom in more. Now you see there are different heights, so it's not something I would like to trade. Up here we have, but we are too far away. Now we're trying to find something a little closer. This is for euro against dollar. We have not been successful with this pair. Every time we trade this pair, he breaks the line. So let's see if we can get a change on that today. Now let's see. Okay, for euro-USD at 88.40. I'm in. Now let's see. They have really changed everything. I don't like changing, but okay. First trade in, and it's a winner. Let's see more. We are $95 in profit. Bad entry. Now let's see. Got one more there. So we have 2 entries. As long as he don't break, we should be good. Now let's see. And we made profit. So now we have 3 winners. 95 multiple with 3, $285 profit. That's something I need to promote. You can trade this line. $285 profit till now. Then just bear with me while I do this, so you get some more people in. So we have actually a good start today. That is nice to see. I will continue trading on this line, of course. Now let's see. I will go in again if we get down. And there. And okay, now let's see. We are ready to go in again on the line. If we just come down to the green line at 0.884953, we will take a trade. Now let's see. Now we're moving a little away from the line. Let's see if the other ones have some trading opportunities. Let's go to Australian dollar against New Zealand. That one was actually live. But you see it's halfly broken, so we're not going to trade that one. Let's see this one. Far away. Far away. Did I check this one? Yes, far away. And then we have this one. Okay, I think we can see find something more while we're waiting. This might take 3-4 minutes before we get down again. So while we do that, we can see find something more. So we are up for now. We have 3 winners and $285 profit. So a very good start today. Let's see. This one's a little irregular, so I will not be trading this. Let's continue. No. This one on the top here is actually not that bad. Not have many tests, but it is something. Let's see if we can mark it. If we make this one a red line and the thickest, how will that look like? I will need to move it a little bit there. I think there we have it. I will try this line. It's not beautiful, but we have a few. Now let's see. Let's go back to this one euro against dollar. We are still a little far away. I check the other ones. No. 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 And the first one. We can't trade that. Then I think we will go back to this one. Let's see if I find something more. Now let's see. Nothing here. We are like 6 people live, so you all are allowed to ask questions or write something at all. Little discussion will be nice as we are waiting for trades. I did put up a screen just for that today, so if there are any questions or anything, it's just to write now. I will be able to reply right away today. So let's take advantage of that. Does not need to be related to forex or binary option also. We are just enjoying ourselves this Saturday. I'm not putting a time limit for how long time we're going to trade today. This I do only from Monday till Friday. Today it's more having a little fun, so I don't, how long we trade, I don't know, we'll see. As long as it's anything to trade, we will trade today. I have not gone through all the list yet, so we'll see. But for now, we are just looking. You can use this broker in UK. You can use it worldwide actually. If you talk about the forex, that might be. This forex broker I have figured out don't work for all places. But if you want to use the broker you see me using here now, IQ Cents, and this one you can use in UK. Now I do not use any other strategies for IQ Cents. To be quite frankly, I just use the same I do with forex, because indicators do actually not work. All indicators are lagging, so that's why I don't use it. Actually, there are one indicator for forex that is not lagging. It's a strategy there you can use if you are want to have a profitable strategy with the indicator. That is DC, Dogecoin channel. If you use it correctly, it's a non-lagging because you're following a trend. So and do have around 50, 54, 55% win rate. It's nothing crazy, but then for each, let's say $100 you lose, you gain 120. So it's profitable. You will make money with that strategy. I might show that in one of my trading videos later for forex. But for binary option, no, we can't use any indicators. If you start to use indicators, you might get lucky in the start, but in the end you will lose money. Because to be quite frankly, no indicator works. It's basically like you're taking a take a coin, and you see which side lands on, and you take a trade based on that. That is basically indicators. So if anyone show you to trade with indicators, in the end you will lose money. I need to admit I did also in the past trade with indicators, but I did figure out very fast that it was not profitable in the long run. I needed to implement martingale and things just to make it going. So once again, stay away from indicators. For some other brokers like Pocket Option, the trading strategy there is a little different. I can show you here now. There we're using more trend lines also. So for example, you can see for example here you have a trend, you see downwards. That means every time we came up to this blue line, you can push down, to see. You can make a trend very fast, you see already here you can see the trend. So that every time you come up to this blue line, you could then push down. And this trend you can see did follow all the way through till around here. Here you will get your first losing trade, actually on this one. All the other ones here you would have won. So that is something I use more on Pocket Option, because in Pocket Option you don't have beautiful support resistance like you see often on this broker. So this broker we get that, so I don't need to use trend lines, but in Pocket Option, yes, there we're using more trend lines. Now let me see. For US traders, the problem I found out is that often when I find brokers for US, for some reason they don't work in some other countries again, and they are restricted even for me. So I still have a problem. There are certain countries that are so restricted. That is, for example, US, United Arabic Emirates, India. I found these three countries are very difficult. And sadly, most of my users come from either of these places. So it's difficult to find something that works for everyone. Okay, I guess Jessica, you did then push this link for the Forex, right? But check if you're talking about for IQ Sense, just use the link in the pinned link that is all the way at the top. That is the one for this broker. I have done a couple of Pocket Option live videos also, and I'm planning to do that again. Everything is about time limits, but for sure we could do some Pocket Option trade now also. I want to separate it. I want to separate, so take a live session for Pocket Option. Maybe we can do that tomorrow. I will think about it. So probably I will go in and take live session. If I do a live session tomorrow, I will do it for Pocket Option. Let's have a deal about that. So I will see if I do that tomorrow. It's a little about energy, because I do wake up very early every day. Now it's getting close to 8 in the morning for me. And I have a little preparation also before I start my sessions. So I basically wake up 6:30 in the morning to do this live session for you all, because I try to find a time that fits for everyone. And I know that there are, for example, 5 hours between 5 and 6 hours actually between me and some part of Europa, and they are in front of me, so I can't do it too late either, because if I do too late, it will be too late for them also. So I try to find something that can fit for everyone. So some countries you need to wake up early. I remember someone from South Korea. I think actually there was like 12-hour different or something crazy like that. I think when it was 8 in the morning for me, it was like 8 in the night there. Is that correct? So yeah, that's how it is. Okay, then I will try to do a Pocket Option tomorrow if I have energy for it, depending what I do today. I think we are going in a trip tomorrow, but if I manage, I will do a live session tomorrow. I will do it for Pocket Option. Now let's see very fast if we have some. We just got 3 trades today. but 3 winners at least. Do you know, I think we have something down in the bottom here now. Let's mark it. Let's see. This is for euro against Canadian dollar. Let's make it a tickets line. And 30. Always when you change in between, remember to change for 30. Because it's a little annoying on this broker, that he changed to 5 seconds every time you change in between. A little boring. So make sure you always change to 30. Okay, so then in some part of US, then it's even earlier than here then. But it's not so much different. Okay, so then looks like US is more or less the same time zone like me, and Europe I know is like 5 hours, and I think South Korea, yes, it was later. Was it you, Jilong, was it you that is from South Korea, do I remember correctly? Now let's see if we can get in a couple of trades here, would be nice. A long time we've been trading till now. We've been trading 41 minutes. Would be nice to get in a couple of more trades. Let me see how much activity we have today. We are 5 live here now. It's decent. Ah yeah, then I remember correctly. So yeah, so it is like 12 hour different than between South Korea and Brazil. So that's why I think the time I actually do the session is a perfect time, because if I do later, it will be too late for some places in the world. So I think the time we have now, yes, it's early for me here in Brazil and for the people in the United States, but it's not too early. It's for everyone that really have an interest about trading, and also is this it's before work. So I know for Europa probably many are at working, but like I said, most of my followers are from United States, and we don't have that many from Europa actually. We had one from UK here now, but overall I don't have that many followers in Europa. Little strange, I'm actually Norwegian myself, but I lived here in Brazil now for 11 years. So I'm actually going to Norway very soon. I look forward to that. Let's see. Little slow day today, but at least we are getting good trades. And we did on euro against dollar. We have been very unlucky with euro against dollar this week, but today it did go good, so that is nice to see. Which one we are following here now? Try to see if we get some trades in here now. Good question. I have seen that the lines actually earlier in morning are holding much better. So, but I think that is just random. To be quite frankly, last week was terrible. But if you take the weeks before, we were actually doing pretty darn good. Where every line was holding, we were basically printing money. So I think just last week was a little different. I did see with Forex also. I did not do that good with Forex last week either. Actually, I lost a little money with Forex last week, and that is not normal for me either. So last week was a different week, we can say. But we made profit, so happy with that. But yes, I don't think it's nothing different, because basically it's just the support and resistance. So, but of course there are certain times there are more activity. So I think, correct me, I think we are in the London session now. And London session is typically, especially in the when the forex is open, is activities time. So that's a time also that support resistance might be broken. So maybe in that way, trading under the London session is worse. I think the Asian session maybe is the best time to trade, because that's a more calm session, and that's a time I don't think will break that many support and resistance. So if I was going to really choose a time to trade binary option, that might be under the Asian session. London session, as like I said, that one is not a good one. And also you go in between the London session and start of the one for US, and then start to be a lot of people trading, and that's a time that we break most of our support resistance. And we need to remember, we are trading on 1 minute here. So the support resistance we find here, we might be lucky to find a super strong that fits together with a 1 hour or 4 hours support resistance. But this might just be some weak one that is in 1 minute, and they break easily through them, of course. Yeah, but in the end, you go after forex, of course, because yes, OTC market. It's basically it's different. You can say OTC is different from broker to broker. It's basically just history, you know. So it's using. So it's we can say OTC market is a little unregulated. So it's not completely. So I'm sure there also are some manipulation in OTC market for because you need to understand the brokers. They basically just make money if you lose money. In forex, basically just 90. I think no, I'll take that another way. Only 3-4% people make money with forex, and with binary option it's the same thing. So the brokers that are for binary option, they are not. If you're going to take it that way, they basically just make money when you lose money. So in the OTC market, I'm sure they speculate a little. So if we trade a time that not so many trading, we will make more money. So of course they manipulate the market a little. They do. So we are aware of that, but it's like when you go to the casino, we need to find a system that we beat the casino, and that is basically what we are doing. With forex a little different. There it's more regulated, and we have real numbers, so they can't manipulate it. But there you have, of course, the big banks again that is controlling the market, so they are hunting your stop loss. So you need to be better than the big banks also. So that's why forex and binary option is not easy, because there are, like now you can see now this line got broken. Is it a broker that did see that I did too well now? We never know. But yes, we never know. Actually, let's see now. We lost that trade, you see. So was that the broker not seeing? We never know. But in overall, we are doing good. But we just need to be aware of that. That of course, in the OTC market, it's a little more difficult. But that's also we make more, so we manage to turn good profit. Now let's see. So our profit right now it's 185. We have 3 winners and 1 loser. let's see if we find something more. I have not gone through the list yet. I think I'll go through the list one time, and then if we have something to trade, we trade, and if we don't, we will just stop. So I can start with my Saturday also. Let me see, this was not OTC. Let me see, we take this one. Let's take this one. This is one of the pairs I had the most success with. Dollar against Chinese is all the way in the bottom, maybe that's why. Here we do have something. Let's mark it up for now. After, I will start to close some of these things here and see just the ones that are close, because we are getting to the end of my session. I think we just have Swedish kroner left to check. Swedish kroner, we don't even have a OTC, so that means we are done. So now I will start to close the ones we don't have nothing. So close this one, let's see here. We can close that one. Euro against dollar, we did good. This one keep open. A little far away here, we can close that one. This one we see we did get broken, that's the one we lost on, I see here. Now let's see. This one too far away. Getting to the end here now. I will say nothing there. And nothing on this one. So then let's see. Then our hope is one of these two. So, like I said, if we're going to trade tomorrow, I will do it on pocket option. So let's be ready for that. Now we are moving away. Yeah, I think we call it quit then. We have nothing more close to trade. We have now been trading for 52 minutes. I think that is good on a Saturday. I hope you all did enjoy this session today. So if I come back again tomorrow, we will do it on pocket option. We can do the links and everything tomorrow. We don't need to do it now. So then I'll see you all tomorrow and have an amazing Saturday. Today we did not make crazy money, but at least we had 3 winners and 1 loser, so we got a little trading today also. So we made a profit of $185 in this session. So then I see you all tomorrow, and maybe I will not promise it yet, but if we do, we will trade pocket option. Have an amazing day.